Alright guys, may na-receive akong email from PayPal na na-credit na yung payouts ko from Spare5. So check natin sa PayPal account ko kung pumasok na ba siya. So guys, as you can see, pumasok na po sa PayPal balance ko yung kinita ko sa Spare5 ng pagtitake ng picture in less than 5 minutes only. Kung interesado kayo sa mga extra income online, legit paying application na pwedeng pagkakitaan or any application tricks, i-check nyo lang yung mga videos ko rito sa channel ko and don't forget to subscribe and press mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga future uploads ko. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day today, and in today's video, I'll be showing you an application na pwede nyong pagkakitaan by snapping photos or casually taking pictures. Alright guys, without further ado, let's dive into this application. So guys, yung name ng application na to ay Spare5. So for now, available to download pa lang siya sa App Store. By the way guys, nakapag-register na ako rito and nakapag-create na ako ng account ko. So yung sa registration na part, madali lang naman siya, kailangan lang naman ng email nyo. So guys, kung makikita nyo dito, merong 2 types of category ng task na pwede nyong pagpilian. And by the way guys, kung makikita nyo yung web only, pwede kayong mag-take ng mga exclusive web tasks dyan by just visiting spare5.com using your desktop or laptop. And possibly guys, mas mataas yung ma-earn nyo dyan. But yan po ay different story. So for this time guys, dito tayo magpo-focus sa available tasks dito sa application. And dito naman sa Discuss tab, basically this is a community where you can participate in the discussion. Or maybe you can just answer other users' queries. Or kaya naman in case na may mga issue kayo or problem, pwede rin kayong mag-post dito and you will get respond by other users as well. And dito naman sa pending, dito nyo makikita yung daily earnings nyo or yung lifetime earnings nyo. Kung makikita nyo yung naka-circle, yan po yung pending or yung available amount balance mo. Dito sa akin, 0 na kasi winidraw ko na po siya. And winidraw ko po siya through my PayPal account. So guys, ang maganda dito, wala po siyang transaction fee or any service fee. Meaning, kung magkano po yung ni-request nyong withdrawal dito, exact full amount din po yung marireceive nyo sa PayPal account nyo. So for my payment proof guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo na na-receive ko na yung kinita ko rito. So papakita ko sa inyo sa email ko. So ito yung na-receive ko sa email that I got paid already $1.03. So exact amount po yan siya guys. Kung makikita nyo rito, $1.03 po yung kinita ko rito, and exact amount din yung na-receive ko. So kung i-check ko naman sa PayPal account ko, so ito po guys, na-receive ko from Spare5, $1.03. Exact amount po yung na-receive ko guys. So walang labis, walang kulang po yan. So kung magkano yung amount na na-earn mo dun sa Spare5, yun din po yung amount na ibabayad nila sa'yo. And by the way guys, yung minimum for payout or yung minimum withdrawal nila is $1 only. And dapat guys, meron kayong PayPal account kasi yun lang yung payment option nila rito. And nga pala guys, once na nakalagin na yung PayPal account nyo dito sa application na to, automatic nyo na pong marireceive yung payouts weekly as long as na meron kayong earnings na above $1. Bali guys, marireceive nyo yung payouts nyo dito every 5 PM Friday Pacific Time. Or kung sa Pilipinas naman, every 7 AM ng Saturday. Bali guys, may cut-off po sila dito. Sa Pacific Time is Thursday to Wednesday 11:59 PM. Kung sa Pilipinas naman guys is Saturday to Friday 5 PM. So beyond that time guys, lahat ng mga matitake nyong task is maki-carry over na po yan for the next week payout. Well, yung mga kikitain nyo naman dito guys is lifetime naman po siya. Kung wala pa kayong PayPal account or kung hindi nyo pa siya mawi-withdraw, hindi naman yan siya mai-expired. Nandyan lang yan siya. And then later on, you can still get that if may PayPal account ka na. And guys, kung may mga questions kayo, punta lang kayo dito sa help or yung frequently asked questions nila, and dito nyo makikita yung mga common answers sa mga possible na common questions. Alright guys, so balik tayo sa task. Dito sa photograph common objects guys, dyan ako usually nagtitake ng mga tasks. So pakita ko lang sa inyo. So dito guys, make sure na basahin nyo yung instruction ha para mas mataas yung chance nyo na ma-approve yung every photo na i-upload nyo. Alright, so basahin nyo lang yan. So kung makikita nyo rito guys, yung first instruction is no faces or license plates. Dapat guys, do not take photographs with faces or license plates in them. And do not photograph people's faces in your images, even in the background. Photographs with faces or photos or faces in them will be rejected. So take note yan guys ha. And other parts of the body besides faces are allowed. So yun lang guys, basta wag nyo lang isasama yung muka. And dapat walang brand name or yung plate number. Alright? The next is, and dito naman guys, i-play nyo lang tong video na to for further instruction. So make sure guys na panoorin nyo muna yung video ng instruction dito para maintindihan nyo yung mechanics. Alright? Then start tasking na tayo. So bali guys, ito po yung mga task, yung mga objects na kukuhanan nyo ng picture. So for example, itong avocado, maghahanap ka lang ng avocado and then take a picture on it, then upload. Then kung na-approve guys, ito po yung kikitain nyo, 3 cents. Alright? Bali guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung recorded video ko na nasa mall ako where I took some of my tasks here. So guys, kung nakita nyo, ganun lang siya kadali i-take yung mga task. And in just a minute, meron ka ng earnings. So yun lang guys, and kung nagustuhan nyo yung video natin today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press mo na rin yung notification bell para updated kapag may mga bago akong upload.